Okay, let's jump in. Today we're tackling something really fundamental, protein. And specifically, it's building blocks, amino acids.
Right. We're diving into the material you sent over, focusing on those amino acids we absolutely need for our diet, the essential ones.
And this source material, it really hammers home why protein is so critical, doesn't it?
It really does. It frames it as, well, non-negotiable, not just for muscles. That's part of it.
Yeah.
But it says protein is core to pretty much all the body's daily jobs. Think enzymes, moving molecules around, fixing tissues. It's foundational stuff.
Gotcha. And the material lays out the process pretty clearly. You eat protein, your digestion kind of breaks it down.
Exactly. Breaks it down into the individual amino acids. Then those get absorbed into your blood.
It's like dismantling a complex machine to get the basic parts you need.
Perfect analogy.
Right.
But here's the really crucial bit from the source. Our bodies need 20 different types of amino acids to function right.
Okay, 20 total.
But we can actually make 11 of those ourselves, internally. Those are the non-essential ones. Our body's got that covered.
Right. So that leaves 9, the 9 that the material calls essential.
Precisely. And essential means exactly that our bodies just can't make them. No internal factory for these guys.
So we absolutely have to get them from food. It's the only way.
That's the bottom line, according to this. Our diet is the sole source. The material even points out a specific subgroup, BCAAs, branched-chain amino acids.
Yeah, I saw that. Leucine, isoleucine, valine,
Oh,
those ones.
those are the ones, and the source highlights them because they're apparently really important for muscle metabolism and protein synthesis.
Okay, protein synthesis. Can you unpack that a little? What does that mean in the simple terms?
Sure. Think of it like the body's construction process. It's how amino acids get put together to build new proteins,
Right.
which we need for, say, repairing muscle after you work out or making new cells or even hormones and enzymes.
So BCAAs kind of signal the start of that construction, especially in muscles.
Yeah, you could say that. They play a key role in telling the muscle cells, okay, time to build and repair.
Makes sense why the material calls them out specifically then. So the core message is clear. Gotta eat the right stuff to get these 9 essential building blocks.
That's it. We need protein for the amino acids, yes, but we need specific foods to cover those 9 essentials.
And the list of foods in the material, it's pretty extensive. It covers the obvious ones like meat, beef, chicken, fish.
Lamb too, yeah. Plus eggs, dairy milk, cheese, yogurt, all the usual suspects are there.
But it doesn't stop there, which I thought was interesting. It really pushes back on the idea that you only get these from animal sources.
Definitely. It lists loads of plant-based options. Grains like quinoa, even oats, legumes, lentils, chickpeas, beans, nuts and seeds, soy, like tofu and edamame.
Yeah, it's a broad list. And some surprising ones too, right? I saw things like spirulina, avocado.
Sweet potatoes were mentioned.
Oh,
And yeah, believe it or not, even dark chocolate apparently contains some.
wow. Dark chocolate. The range is just
Mm.
huge.
It really is. It kind of shows how achievable getting these essentials can be if you eat a varied diet.
Absolutely. Okay, so let's pull this together. We know protein breaks down into amino acids. Our bodies can't make 9 of them the essential ones. And the material shows they're in a massive variety of foods. What's the practical takeaway for, someone listening?
Well, I think it brings clarity. Instead of just a vague goal like eat more protein, you can focus on making sure your diet includes a mix of foods. Foods that deliver those specific 9 amino acids.
Right, it's about hitting those essential targets.
Yeah, it helps you maybe read nutrition labels differently or think about combining foods in your meals. It's empowering in a way.
Get the essentials from your plate. Simple as that, really.
Exactly.
So here's something to think about then, based on that huge variety of sources the material listed. If these essential amino acids are so vital, and they're found in everything from steak to chickpeas to, yes, dark chocolate, maybe the real puzzle isn't just finding sources. Well, maybe it's more about understanding how to combine these different foods across your day or week. To make sure you're consistently getting enough of all 9 essentials in the right balance, something to chew on.